Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create and use TikCode in TikTok.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
The TikCode is a unique QR code that is assigned specifically to your TikTok account. You can use it to promote your TikTok account, as TikTok users only need to scan the TikCode to quickly see your TikTok profile. Watch this full video to learn how you can use TikCode in TikTok. To begin, open the TikTok application. Log into your any TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile, by tapping on Me, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three dots, from the top right corner. Under Account section, tap on TikCode. Here you will see your unique TikCode. Now tap on Save QR code below, to save your TikCode to your phone. Your TikCode has been saved to your device. If you want to scan other people's TikCode, you can tap Scan below. A camera screen will be shown. Position the box to fit the TikCode, and you will then be brought to the person's TikTok profile. If you want to scan other person's TikCode from your gallery, then tap on Album, from the top right corner. Select the TikCode from your gallery. Then check the picture from the top right corner. Then finally, tap on Confirm, from the lower right corner. And you will then be forwarded to the person's TikTok profile. From here you can easily follow that person and watch the videos. So in this way, you can create and use TikCode in TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.